Hello everyone. This is part 4 of chapter 1, Properties of Integers. Commutative property of addition. Adding integers will have the same result regardless of the arrangements of integers. 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 1. The sum is 4. The integers have interchanged position but the sum is still 4. It means we can change the integers but always the result will be same. See the examples. 2 plus 6 is also 8. 6 plus 2 is also 8 by commutative property of addition. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 2. See one more example. Commutative property of multiplication. Multiplying integers will have the same result regardless of the arrangement of the integers. 2 multiply 4 is equal to 4 multiply 2. The product is 8. The integers have interchanged position but the product is still 8. 3 multiply 5 is 15 and 5 multiply 3 is also 15. By commutative property of multiplication, 3 multiply 5 is equal to 5 multiply 3. See one more example. Associative property of addition. Adding integers will have the same result regardless of the grouping. 2 plus 3 plus 5 in bracket is equal to in bracket 2 plus 3 plus 5. The sum is 10. The integers have been grouped differently but the sum is still 10. In LHS, the grouping is 3 plus 5 and in RHS, the grouping is 2 plus 3. But integers have been grouped differently but the sum is still the same. Example, 1 plus in bracket 4 plus 6 is equal to 11. 1 plus 4 in bracket plus 6 is also 11. By associative property of addition, we can say that 1 plus in bracket 4 plus 6 is equal to in bracket 1 plus 4 plus 6. See one more example. Associative property of multiplication. Multiplying integers will have the same result regardless of the grouping. 2 multiply in bracket 3 multiply 4 is equal to in bracket 2 multiply 3 multiply 4. The product is 24. The integers have been grouped differently but the product is still 24. See one more example. 3 multiply in bracket 5 multiply 6 is equal to 3 into 30 is equal to 90. Now in bracket 3 multiply 5 multiply 6, so 15 multiply 6 is also 90. By associative property of multiplication, we can say that 3 multiply in bracket 5 multiply 6 is equal to 3 multiply 5 bracket open and close multiply 6. See one more example. Distributive property of addition and multiplication. Distributive property involves the addition of two integers being multiplied by another integers. 3 multiply in bracket 2 plus 4 is equal to 3 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 4. The integer outside the parenthesis is multiplied to each integer inside the parenthesis. Each integer inside the parenthesis is multiplied by the integers outside the parenthesis. Then the resulting products are added together. For example, 2 multiply in bracket 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply explanation. 2 multiply 1 plus 3 is equal to First we will solve the bracket. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 2s are 8. Then the RHS of this property, 2 multiply 1, 2. 2 multiply 3, 6. After adding 2 and 6, the answer is 8. By distributive property of multiplication and addition, we can say that 2 multiply 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 3. Now see one more example. Now at last, property of integers, closure, commutative, associative and distributive. Closure property, it follows on addition, subtraction, multiplication. Commutative, it's follow on addition and multiplication. Associative, it's follow on addition and multiplication. Distributive, it's follow on addition and subtraction. Thank you.